Blessed be everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Labradite crystal and how you can work with that crystal for protection, for overcoming fear, and just for general fun working with crystals such as the Labradite crystal. But before we do, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com, author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path, and I help Wiccans and witches make sense of all of the practices out there and put them all together to help you be able to practice your craft in a way that connects you to yourself, to nature, and to the divine. And if you are interested in knowing where to start your witchcraft practice, I have a free video called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. The link is in the description field below this video. Labradite crystal is a crystal that will bend light, so it's wonderful to use for protection. And this particular specimen that I have here is a form of labradite called spectralite, and it's the most common labradite that you will probably see. It's essentially a dark colored stone, but because of the way it bends light, it has all these very interesting colors in it. Particularly if you hold it up to a light or to the sun, you're going to see some very, very beautiful shimmery blue colors in there. So it's a very beautiful stone. And a lot of people wear it as a form of protection and also as a way of being able to step more into their fearlessness and courage. Because labradite bends light, it's very good at deflecting energy. So that means it can deflect negative energy if you program it to do that. So that means energy that is coming at you from your environment, from other people, and even negative energy that you're putting on yourself from your own negative thinking and the unpleasant emotions that come from that negative thinking. It's also a great crystal to use to contain your energy. So if you're somebody that tends to give your energy away, whether that's to your own negative thoughts and feelings or whether that's to other people, particularly if you work in a healing environment where you're constantly working with other people and working with energy, labradite can really help you contain your own energy so that you're not giving it away. And the way that you would work with that is to bring in the energy first, so whether that's through pore breathing or whether that's through breathing in the energy from the earth up through your spine and through the crown, the top of your head, and bringing that energy into your body and bringing that in as much as you feel you need to, and then working with the labradite through meditation to contain that energy. It will just help you get more energy. And the reason why I'd want to contain your energy is so that you have it there for your magic, because magic does use a fair bit of energy, to have it there for any healing work that you may do, either for yourself or for other people, and just having general energy so that you can do stuff and be active and be healthy. Work with labradite for that. It stops leakage, essentially. So you don't want to be leaking energy unnecessarily. It's a great barrier to protect you from the negativity that other people might be deliberately or unconsciously throwing at you, and also your environment as well. So really think about it as a form of protection. On a psychological level, you can work with it to help you with your fear and insecurities. It can help dispel the energy of fear. Using it in meditation to work maybe specifically with some of your beliefs that may cause the fear is a great way to work with it. So think of it as a stone that you can wear to stand fearlessly in your power and in your truth. Now, one of the ways that you can begin to work with it is through meditation. So whether you have a ball like this, or you have a point or a tumbled stone, holding it in the palm of your left hand if you are right-handed, and maybe your right hand if you're left-handed. It depends where you feel your receiving hand is. Some people it's left, some people it's the right. And just hold that in your lap and just allow the energy to go through the palm of your hand and into your body, and just feel that connection to the stone. And then you can allow that energy to then move up, come out of the crown, and come out and around you. And while you're meditating on this energy, you may want to speak to the stone and ask it, how can we work together? How can you help me? And communicate with it. There's nothing wrong with talking to rocks. They actually will answer you back. So allow yourself to be able to work with the energy and the spirit of the crystal. And in return, it probably all it wants you to do is probably cleanse it and respect it, basically. Tuning into the energy will help you not just get a feel for the energy, but during the meditation, this is where you can use it to contain your energy. So if you've already done some bringing in energy work and you're there meditating, you can use the energy of the crystal to put that field around you to contain your energy while you're meditating, so that you're not giving it out to any distractions or any negativity. Another way that you can work with your labradite is to wear it as jewellery. And this is not just because it looks beautiful and very decorative, it's also because it will help protect you. It will help deflect the negative energy, and it will also help you feel more fearless, because it works on the fear and insecurities. So wear it as a pendant. Wear it as a necklace. If you're doing any public speaking or you're going for an interview of some sort, you may want to wear it as a necklace, so it's around the throat chakra, so it'll just help you give more confidence in your speech. You can wear it closer to the heart chakra if you're wanting to speak more passionately and work more fearlessly from a giving point of view. And if you're wanting to have more personal power, you can either also somehow wear it further on your solar plexus, or maybe meditate with it sitting there or close to there, so that you're getting that sense of fearless energy in the solar plexus, which is your power center, and that's often where you really need to have that fearless energy, so that you can speak up for yourself and defend yourself and put your will out there into the world. When it comes to another way of working with it is scrying with it. Now, most people think that scrying with crystals is either a clear quartz crystal or an obsidian crystal, but you can use labradite to scry with as well. In fact, you can use pretty much any crystal to do scrying with. Labradite's specialty, though, with scrying is to help you get into connection with your potential, your purpose. What are you doing here? What do you want to do here while you're on planet Earth? What are your goals? What are your intentions? And to help you get clear on them. So work with it in that way. It's a bit more specific than maybe you would work with scrying with the other two crystals that I mentioned, but it will help you gain more clarity and more insight into your potential and how you can bring your potential into the world. And a lot of the reason why people feel stuck about potential and purpose is the fear of actually doing it. What are the repercussions of actually stepping into that power? So labradite, with its ability to dispel fear, can help you overcome that, and that will help you be able to scry much more effectively if you don't have that fear blocking your path. So there are 3 ways that you can work with the labradite crystal. I said at the beginning of the video, if you wanted to know where to start your witchcraft practice, to download that free video, how to start your witchcraft practice. So if you haven't done that, do go down in the description field and download that video. It will help you know where to start and what to do along the way, because I know there's a lot of confusion out there because there's just so much information out there. Where do you start and what do you do? If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.